egg products. So we have salted eggs and we have balut. Hindi pa po luto to, ano?
Hindi ba?
So these are the prices of eggs. $240 per tray. Okay. Again, the exchange rate is $1, 58 pesos. So, what is that salted egg? Those are duck eggs, by the way. Yeah. So, duck eggs. They are salted for 30 days, and then that's one way of preserving them as well. So we are now in the dried fish section. One part, this one, see now, dried fish. Very expensive. This is squid. This boneless dilis. Small fish dried actually. Pabili po. Pabiling 1/2 dito.
Sir, boneless danggit ko yun.
So basically Philippines is a archipelago, and we are surrounded with water. That's why fish and fish products are relatively cheaper here. Let us see. Let's compare the prices later. Anong tawag yan, Jeff?
Sapsap.
Sapsap.
Masarap to, i-toast nyo lang ng konti, deep fry nyo.
Deep fry.
Makain lahat. Ang sayang.
Para yung hindi masunog, no? One half has marami rin palang one half. So we bought this one. So we are in the meat section now. You see the different parts of pork. Magkano po sa tenga?
230 na lang, boss.
230, 230 pesos per kg.
Ano kilo ya?
Pork chop. Pork chop,
320.
320.
Sige, 330 mo.
Magkano kilo ti manok? Whole chicken.
220 ba ito?
220 whole chicken.
Per kilo niya.
Itong Thai.
Ito, pares lang din ko yun.
Itong feet.
Feet, 170 mo na.
170 per kg. Okay. Thank you.
359. Sobrang may tagilaw.
So those are the prices. So many value addition. Pork. Yeah. Special hamonado. Vegan. So, pork products. Nagko-content lang. Sinishare ko yung mga prices. Spicy garlic longanisa. Wala na yung lechon dito. Ito, lechon. This is one business opportunity that I would like to do in Kenya. Pork. We roast the entire pig. So let's go to the fish section. Prawns here. Ate, nagko-content lang ha. Kung equal ko lang yung mga presyo. This is shrimp. 500 per kg. So you can convert yourself. Yeah. So in Kenya, these are expensive. Eh? Magkano po dito? Ito. 400. 400 per kg. We go to milk fish. Tilapia is milk fish.
Ilan po?
Tilapia magkano po?
150 po. 1 kilo.
150.
Tilapia bangos. Tahong 100. Boneless.
Bangus like that.
Bangos. 250. Hatiin.
Pwede bang dalhin sa aeroplano? Paano babalutin yan? Boneless. Luto muna. Hindi ba pwede yung kwan, yung naka-vacuum o
Ilang oras ba mo pa niyo?
flight ko? Kwan eh. Mga 15 hours lahat. May connecting flight ako. Kasi hira.
Masisira na po ah.
Ay, ganon. Isa sa mga bilin nila bibilin ko. Ito, puro mga kwan, tuyo. Salamat po. Anyway. Pamkang, so many fish. Yeah, 250, half kilo. Look. Ay, ito. Boneless bangus. Magkano po sa boneless? Ha? 100. Ilang piraso na yan? Iniisip ko kung paano dalhin sa aeroplano. Kasi bibiyahe ko sana. Hindi pwede.
Kailangan paano niya daw dadali sa aeroplano?
Ito isa sa mga bilin nila. Boneless bangus. Pero paano ba dalhin? Ipapak sa aeroplano?
Saan pupunta?
Sa abroad
Kung malapit lang,
Hindi pwede. 15 hours flight.
sa inyo, nasa inyo kung paano gagawin nyo, hindi naman namin alam, kayo ang tanungin namin. Kaya nga.
Hindi, baka kako mayroon kayong experience in the past na bumili
Sa
rin.
kanila kung yung nagpapadala sa inyo kung paano ang dadalhin nyo yan.
Yun na nga eh.
Pag hindi yan po pagpagkain, lalo na pag kanya na-style.
Pinaiwan pa sa inyo, tulad.
Yun na nga eh. Inisip ko yung binabacuum na plastic.
Nakabacuum plus yan.
Oh,
Nakalagay doon sa styro lang.
styro.
Binalot sa ano lang.
Tapos ibaba, hindi, dapat nakabacuum din yun.
Vacuum?
Styro na lang, para may iwapat.
Ganon.
Yung nabibili styro na, yung manipis.
Manipis.
Pailagay nila sa...
Hindi na kuha yun.
Basta i-freezer nyo yan.
Oh, sige. Packaging talaga. Sige, babalik ako. Thank you. So guys, that's the dilemma, you know? One of the instructions for me was to buy those boneless bangus. Bangus means milk fish. That's the English for bangus. Bangus is a fish that can survive either in fresh water or salt water. Okay? Now, there is another thing that I would like to buy, but anyway, at least you managed to compare the prices from here to Nairobi, right? This is of the public market in my home city here in the Philippines. Right? So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Mungu awabariki. Kwaheri. Bye. Blessings always.